The question we are solving now belongs to test series 3. It is of control system subject. In specific, it belongs to state variable analysis of MIMO, means multiple input, multiple output control systems. The question is numbered 31. As per the question, a single input, single output control system is represented by the state equations x dash equal to ax plus bu and y is equal to cx plus du, where a is equal to 2113, b equal to 11, c equal to 10, and d equal to 0. We have to find the transfer function g of s of the control system. We know that for a given control system with the state variable representation as shown, the transfer function is given as g of s is equal to c into si minus whole inverse multiplied by b plus d. So we have to find si minus a first, then si minus a whole inverse, from which we can find g of s. So si minus a is equal to s minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 and s minus 3. Now we have to find Si minus A whole inverse. We know that if a 2D matrix is given as A, B, C, D, the inverse of the same is given as 1 by AD minus BC whole multiplied by D minus B minus C A. Similarly, we can get Si minus A whole inverse as 1 by S square minus 5S plus 5 as a whole multiplied by s minus 3, 1, 1, s minus 2. Now on substituting si minus a whole inverse, here we can get g of s is equal to c, which is 1, 0 multiplied by 1 by s square minus 5s plus 5, then s minus 3, 1, 1, s minus 2 multiplied by 1, 1 plus d is 0. This can be further simplified as 1 by s square minus 5s plus 5 multiplied by 1, 0. Then on doing the matrix multiplication of these two matrices, we can get that s minus 2 and s minus 1. This can further be simplified as by doing the matrix multiplication of these two matrices, s minus 2 divided by, sorry, this should be s minus 4 and this should be s minus 3. So on simplifying, this becomes s minus 4 divided by s square minus 5s plus 5. So this is the transfer function of the given control system. So the correct option is